If you want to create a reverse effect in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reverse a clip in CapCut step by step so you can make your footage play backward and create a much more dynamic, professional looking edit. This is a super useful effect for action shots, transitions with movement, and all kinds of creative content. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and move to the section of the timeline where you want the reverse effect to happen. Before you can reverse anything, you need to isolate the exact part of the video that you want to play backward. To do that, place the playhead at the start frame of the section you want to reverse, then press Ctrl+B to split the clip. After that, move the playhead to the end frame of the same section and press Ctrl+B again. This will cut out the middle section as its own separate clip. Now that your clip is isolated, left-click it in the timeline so it becomes highlighted. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to edit. Once the clip is selected, look up at the toolbar and find the reverse icon. Click that reverse option and CapCut will begin processing the clip backward. If you don't see the icon right away, you can also right-click the clip, go to Edit, and then choose Reverse from the menu. As soon as you click Reverse, a progress message will appear that says the clip is being reversed. You'll usually see a percentage status like Reversing Clip, which lets you know CapCut is working in the background. Just wait for that process to finish. Depending on the length of your clip, it may take a few seconds, so be patient and let it complete. Once the reversing is done, play your timeline back and you'll see that section now runs in reverse natively. That means the motion, action, or movement in the clip is now playing backward exactly the way you wanted. This is perfect if you want to create rewind style edits, dramatic movement effects, or even a smooth transition into another scene. If you want a cleaner result, you can always trim the edges, add sound effects, or combine the reverse clip with speed adjustments and transitions for an even more polished finish. A lot of creators use reverse effects to make simple footage feel more cinematic and attention-grabbing, so don't be afraid to experiment with it. And that's it. You now know how to create a reverse effect in CapCut by splitting the timeline, selecting the clip, and using the reverse option to play it backward. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.